What up, YouTube? Welcome back on the Diablo build. We're still many weeks away from scraping the coast, but we're going to go ahead and build the middle console. My buddy of mine got a big car show here this weekend, Trackmania, so we're going to build this middle console for his show. So we already got the iPad. I bought an iPad about 2 weeks ago, so we already got it. We got it wrapped in like 4 layers of tape. I'm about to go to the store, get some aluminum foil. We're going to cover it up in aluminum foil. Then we're going to take our fiberglass resin, fiberglass it. Then we're going to mat it and do it just like that. So, alright, YouTube, we'll be back once I get back from the store with the oh yeah, and these are the cup holders we're gonna put in there. They do light up red, so that's what we're gonna be using. So while this is drying, we're going to be building the console. So we're gonna pull the truck in and we're gonna take the seat out and we're gonna start from there. Alright, y'all, let's go get this aluminum foil. Alright, YouTube, we got like 2 layers of the plastic and we got like 2 layers of the aluminum foil and we got like 5 layers of the tape. So this motherfucker should be nice and protected. I'm still gonna think I'm gonna run a tape around the corners and that'll be it. So let's get the fire. We got the mold drying. Still a little soft in some spots. So we're gonna let this sit till tomorrow. And now it's gonna. Alright, YouTube, this is where we at. We got the templates made. Gonna recreate this on some wood. We got this right here. That's gonna come like that. Mount right here. Along with that on the side. So that's how we're gonna do that. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and retrace this out on some wood and get it in here and start fiberglassing that to that. So let's do it. Two. Got everything ran through the center of the console. Here go the wires for the cup holders. They light up. This is the power. This is the ground. This is the ground. That's where the switch is gonna go. I got the switch box in here. Y'all see I put a rip in it. It wasn't right there before, but since we wrapped it and put foam, it sits real tight. And as it was pushing down, it put a rip right there. So, fuck. But it's gonna have to pass, man. It's gonna have to pass. It's gonna have to pass. But other than that, it works. It's in there flush. So, all right, y'all. Let's go ahead and wire these cup holders up. And we be back. Yeah.
Prosecutors wanna have me. What? I'm hoping they don't do me dirty. It's 40, I got the bitch 30. Shoot on go, you shoot perfect. What? I got 100 on me. The devil ride me in my sleep. I break a bitch in a week. The bitch, I'm not what you think. I stood in the field with my hitters. I kept that rocket on me. I do. Hate that I had to get rid of my niggas. I heard they were plotting on me. It was true. Love, I'm finding my homies. They turn they back. Same niggas, they still owe me on the pack. Say they gon' check me.
Bitch, I'm sacked up. Bitch, I'm racked up. That jaw's all bump. Everybody got out the truck. I said, fuck this shit.
Ah, man. Probably gotta do it over, man.
Yeah, I know. Man, the way they judge is like fucking awesome, man. I just pulled in here, truck dirty as fuck. Didn't know that they judge you before you even come in the door. Had no clue. So I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do, because my truck is dirty as shit. Dirty as shit, and they judge me. Fuck. I thought they do like they do in the hood. Walk around. Hell to the now. Where I'm supposed to go? Where I go? Oh, okay. Where I'm going? That's where we go.
I see it, you're good.
All right. No, no cooler.
Good to go, man.
Alright. Hell no, I ain't got no cooler. I don't drink. I need some water. They looking for liquor. Appreciate it. That found him clean. Retired life. I hear you, baller. Big booty butt out the way, lady. All that ass. Get your ass out the way. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Boyfriend ain't gonna do shit. Ain't nothing but ass and cars. That's all that's out here. Ass and cars. Where the fuck am I going? No idea where the fuck I'm going. Ass and cars. Ass and cars. See, there goes some more ass. There ain't no ass right there. That motherfucking hula hoop through a Cheerio. I might want me to hit switches. I ain't got time to hit switches. I'm Facebook Live for all of y'all. You hit the switch. Fuck this switch. Switch. Fuck that switch. Ass and cars. That's all that's out here. She ain't got no ass. She got a flat back. Damn, this Lincoln clean as a motherfucker. Ooh, shit. That bitch sexy. Get your ass out the way, Grandpa. I run your ass over. Look at the little girl on the little bike. She riding that bitch. Alright. Grandpa, get your motor scooter riding ass out the way. Kiefer, how much they want for it, man? I want one of them cars so bad. Will, Pops in the way, bro. Pops is in the way. Ooh, that boy got switches. Switches. Here, right, here come Pops again in my damn way. Get your ass out the way, Pops. Ain't nothing wrong with you.
Sing a song with the Gleekers, Mississippi. My name is Young MC. Peace and out, y'all. Thank you. All right, y'all, give it up one more time for Young MC. Let me hear y'all scraping. Cool as ice, huh, Sean? That's the shirt you gonna start selling next to your trunk? Cool as ice. Yeah, there I am. I was just giving Young MC this thing.
What up, YouTube? Scraping the Coast was a success, man. I met a lot of you guys that's on my YouTube here. People that recognized me, came up to me, man, wanted to see the truck. The few people that I talked to about the truck, man, I appreciate all the love y'all give me, man. Appreciate it all. But, man, Scraping the Coast was a success. I had business cards all around the truck. I'm down to 5 left, so good. Right now, I'm sitting in the truck in the AC. It's hot in the motherfucker. It's got to be 200 degrees in this bitch. But, show y'all what we doing. Sitting in this AC. vents back on. I got the armrest back on. I gotta find another one of those pieces. Yep, we're here scraping, man. Just sitting here in the AC.
This is the sound.
When it be storming, hoping everything could up by the morning. Niggas tell a lie, so I gotta be honest. Ask me for the tillage, you know that I'm a running. Turned up like we wanted, we put up on that dog shit. Flexing on these niggas, pockets full of blue honey. Ain't no going back, you know I'm gon' keep it coming. Ain't no time to
Back to Memphis. Back to motherfucking Memphis.
Damn, everybody shit fucking up.
Yeah, I told we all fucked our cars up this year. Ryan fucked it. Yeah, he fucked this shit up.
Fucked out of his shit up.
Fucked his front bumper and his back bumper.
Babe fucked his tire up.
My tire, I need tires. I need a roll pan. Fix my roll pan. I need brakes. Yep. We fucked everything up, but it was all worth it. Heading back to Memphis. Fuck you're talking about. And I got a tan. Woo. Bro, this shit hurt.